Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you a new hard drive I got, and I wanted to make a video on it because of how it looks like. So we start off with the unboxing. It comes with in a box, obviously. Now I needed some storage, and so I got an external hard drive, and I'm thinking about putting my Steam library on an external hard drive. So I'll just show you around it. So at the front over here, you've got a micro USB 3 port, and it's got LED on the front that blinks when it's in use, and that turns on white. And the rest is pretty much plain, and it comes with this tiny cable with it as well, which you plug in here. Now I wanted to show you this. I got it in red. You can get it in different colors, because this looks really nice. I mean, just look at this thing. Let's go ahead and take the cable out. We'll do a speed test on this as well. So as you can see, it looks really nice. You can get this in different colors. I was expecting it to be twice as thick as what it is like, because the other Western Digital hard drive that I've got, that one is twice as thick as this one, but it's not actually thick. It's quite slim, it's portable, and it's really light. That's one of the different funny things I found about this one. Is the other one that I have, the Toshiba hard drive, external hard drive over here, that's actually much heavier than this one, and the way they both work is a little bit different as well. This one makes those funny sounds that Western Digital hard drives make. I think it's only Western Digital hard drives now, but I'm not really sure. Whenever it's writing or something, you can actually hear it clicking around and stuff, which is normal sounds. They're normal sounds, and I actually quite like that for some weird reason. I'm getting into it. Whereas this one is more like just kind of silent, but it does have a little airy sound going on, like that's all it is. The difference is that while these both working on a USB 3 interface, this one actually uses a SATA 600 connection, and this one uses a SATA 300 connection. Now let's go ahead and do a speed test. Obviously, the Western Digital one, the speed, the read and write speeds are really good. 130 read and write, give or take. Now this one is more like 80 megabytes to read and write, but it kind of goes up to 150, just like the Western Digital one. The Toshiba hard drive over here is actually a little bit slower for some reason. It's not as responsive as the Western Digital hard drive, and I've got my library on this thing. And by the way, both of these, if you want to use Extreme library on them, perfectly fine, no problem. I've been using them on this, no issues whatsoever. Loading speed are actually quite nice as well. I didn't think they would be as fast as they are. Quite impressed with that. The thing I don't like about them is that they both work on a micro USB 3 interface. Now I've been using this for a very long time, so it's fine with me, but I still have to say, even though while I haven't really broken any of these, they are really fragile, so you might want to be careful with that. It's pretty light as well. This Toshiba hard drive is, the Western Digital hard drive is much nicer and lighter as well compared to the Toshiba one. That's a bit heavier. But yeah, look around it. It looks like a really nice little hard drive, and look at the bottom. It's quite nice. I actually do like the design on it. So yeah, if you want to buy one of these, I'll leave a link in the description. Definitely check it out. It's something worth taking a look into. That's it for this video, I guess. I'll see you guys in another video.